Hello gamers, welcome back to another Mixed Stardust Dungeoneer style tutorial here. I was taking a look at some of my other things and those are really complex, and I don't quite feel like the first one that I did was the best explaining the operation here of this latch theory. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick. As you can see, by providing power, oh, this one's bugging with the buttons, but that's fine. It's because of everything's controlled with the switch. So anyway, when you provide power to one of the torches, it will turn the torch on and change the state of where this main memory loop is. Okay, so this is channel 1 and this is channel 2. Okay, now what I'm doing here is basically I'm making this simple machine perform two different functions with one lever. Okay, so I can make this much more complex by adding in more memory cells and things like that, make it completely reset and everything. But this is just the fundamental principles of it. Okay, so what happens is I've got a node here which is a NOT gate that comes over here and is going to it's constantly providing the power to this, so that when I turn this line on it will shut that off, and that is also powering this slot because of this torch. Okay, so that's on. So this is effectively operating in mode 1. Okay, so now when I flick the switch, it changes. See, now this is the secondary operation. So what happened was the power came in through here and went down underground and came up back around over to here and turned this torch off and turning this one on effectively. Okay, so now that is coming over here and it's powering this piston which completes this circuit. Now I didn't really need the piston to be necessary for this to function right, but because there's a little delay in the timing on the lights, I wanted that delay to change basically so that way the lights aren't on at the same time. Because as you can see, watch, I'll delete this and I'll put that there, and now when I change it, see, both of the lights are on for a split second, right? So that's why I kept this piston in, because my original design was a little bit sloppier and I was using the piston until I figured out I could just get rid of that. But I like having the piston in there better because now, as you can see, neither one of the lights are on at the same time. And I think that that's just a little bit nicer, because there's still a little bit of a delay where it looks like they're both off for a second, but I'd prefer to have that personally than have both modes effectively being enabled at the same time. So this is kind of I'd rather machine be do nothing for a split second than to be performing two tasks at once. Okay, so this is a really simple circuit layout, and it's kind of the theory, the main method that I'm using for a lot of my dungeon traps and stuff like that. Combination locks and other puzzles and everything where there's a processes. I've been able to hook up 3 different switches onto one memory loop to keep everything going. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Let me know what you guys think. You know, I really like working with redstone. I like building big traps. Right now I'm in the middle of making a really big maze. I'm excited about that. It's 281 rooms or something like that, symmetrical rooms. I've built this before, but it was a little bit smaller. Okay, these rooms are 10 by 10 on the inside, symmetrical, and they're laid out in an array of 6 times 6, right? So it's, or 6 times 3, 18 rooms by 18 rooms. It'll be a lot of fun. I'm adding that into the dungeon that I'm working on. That's my pink zone challenge, and the black zone is going to be much more adventurous style, where it's going to feel like you're rolling through some type of a like an archaeological expedition, kind of like Tomb Raider or something like that, you know, with big huge scenes and waterfalls, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope that you guys will enjoy it. It's going to take me probably realistically a month or two though to get all of that out there, so I just wanted to make this video out here so that way you get the fundamentals of more elaborate circuits. And as I get more and more complex things going on, I will be happy to teach everybody that type of thing. So let me know what you guys think of this video, and leave a comment. I'm at 19 subscribers right now. I'm trying to get up to 20. That would be really awesome. So that's my goal for now. Get 20 subscribers, and I'll make something really awesome. So help me get one more subscriber, guys, and I'll put out a special video. Plus, I'm working my way up to number 50. Okay, and I already have something big planned for my 50th video. So we've got those things to look forward to. Thank you for watching. This is Mick Stardust, and I'll see you next time.